unlock the secret to everlasting love. 1. Lead with an apology. Be the first one to break the ice. 2. Stay connected no matter the distance. 3. Give each other the gift of attention as much as possible. 4. Cultivate trust and respect and cherish your freedom within it. 5. Never let a day go by without showing gratitude. And last but not least, when the going gets tough and you're tempted to walk away, pause and recall the spark that started it all. Remember why you began this journey together in the first place. Love is beautiful. It's both simple and profound. So embrace it fully. Let it be the guiding force in your life. Use it to connect deeply with others, to spread kindness and understanding. Allow it to inspire your actions and shape your world. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a powerful tool for positive change. Cherish it, nurture it, and watch as it transforms everything it touches into something greater. Remember, the best use of love is to share it freely and without reservation, making every moment count.